Each of these 30 stained glass panels was created by a different artist.
30 stories and 30 artists from across North America and beyond.
What's behind us tonight isn't just stained glass.
All of the artists answered one question: what does glass mean to you right now? Tonight we're going to travel this mosaic region by region, sharing the artwork and the letters written to us about what inspired each piece.
Okay, y'all, as our journey begins in the American South, we're going to start out in South Carolina as we travel across the sandhills and then into the foothills.
Our journey begins in the American South, from South Carolina to Alabama.
Holy chicken lips! Here we are in Anderson, South Carolina. From Alabama, Jan Sutton writes us,
Alabama's state bird is the northern flicker.
So as we head west, leaving Alabama, the landscape opens up. Artists from Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and Utah draw from the desert horizons and wide honey golden sunsets. The geometry here is confident.
The color choices are bold.
You can almost feel the heat radiating through these panels, Barb.
I know.
I love the Southwest.
This is glass that isn't afraid of scale or silence.
Shelley Rigby of Utah writes,
This is an original design of an iconic landmark in the state of Utah, the Delicate Arch. Carol Radkin writes, I've just had a tough time thinking of an image that represents the Pacific Northwest. Our mountains look so bleak in glass. Sasquatch seemed too silly.
Yeah.
So after multiple false starts, here is my little salmon. Thank you, Carol.
Thank you, Carol. We love it.
There's water here, moving, frozen, reflective. quiet confidence that comes from long winters.
And the long winters are right. These artists bring us layered textures and strong sense of place.
Elizabeth Wesson writes, "When I was stationed in the UP, I made a special trip to see the Mackinac Bridge, knowing it would be my only chance to see her. Little did I know that I'd marry a Michigander and we'd make frequent trips over the mighty Mac."
The mighty Mac, the Mackinac Bridge.
Aaron writes, "I really didn't want to.
Willie McNilly it.
I've been doing stained glass for a little under 2 years now, and I am obsessed with it now more than ever. Canadian glass often balances strength with subtlety, and you can feel that here.
There's a respect for the environment, for history, and for the craft itself. These pieces don't shout, they resonate."
Our final domestic stretch takes us through the historic heart of the East.
From the industrial legacy of Ohio and Pennsylvania, glass that honors the past while speaking firmly in the present. So hang on as we take you through a trip down the East Coast.
Ray Hapner from Pittsburgh writes, "I made a logo representation of our city. Yellow represents coal, red stands for iron ore, and blue symbolizes scrap steel. Together, these elements reflect the transformation of raw materials into steel."
Kathy Disjordy lives in Massachusetts, and she writes that Cape Cod is a very special place to all of us New Englanders.
Paul Mandelowitz writes, "This panel represents New York City, where I was born and raised. The taxi is intended to represent New York City and to honor my father, who was a New York City cab driver. Now I have to make 2 more of these. My sister wants one and I want one."
Samara Jarash writes, "My piece, I'll admit, is quirky. There are 3 images from Philadelphia within the glass piece. In the middle is the Liberty Bell, which is cracked, portrayed with a wire. To the left is the Rocky statue, and to the right is Saquon Barkley's Play of the Year leap."
So now, as we head down further, we're into West Virginia.
Renee Hipkiss writes, "I have chosen the northern cardinal as it is the state bird of West Virginia.
Many people believe that seeing a cardinal is a visit from a loved one who has passed on.
Julie Graves writes,
Thank you so much for making the beginning of the work week fun. It's so enjoyable hanging out with everyone and learning all there is about glass. I made a mermaid for the Global Glass Project. Every city seems to have a representative statue that is designed differently than ours. And ours is the mermaid.
this mountain was known as the God by Native Americans for how easy it is to spot from surrounding areas, giving a sense of direction. Jennifer Inlow writes, this panel is an image I created to represent Pilot Mountain in North Carolina. I am not as advanced as others who have submitted panels, as this project was my first time drawing a scene, hunting for the perfect glass, and doing it all to a specific measurement. This taught me a lot, and to me it represents a level of growth beyond sun catchers. Thank you for this opportunity to learn, grow, and contribute to this wonderful project.
Jennifer, thank you.
Gray Dragons, Mary Beth and Frank write,
We're calling this one Heart of Pines. The different colors of glass represent the various regions of North Carolina. The mountains in the Piedmont, the sandhills, the coastal plain, and the barrier islands. Finally, we cross the Pacific. The light is sharper, the land feels closer.
this final piece reminds us that glass is a global language.
Is the perfect conclusion for this global glass conversation. Together, these 30 panels form more than just a backdrop.
They're a record of connection between artists across regions and through glass itself.
Every time that we go live, knowing how many hands, hearts, and stories are illuminated behind us.